Rating my fidgets part 1. These, I haven't had these before. Oh, 10 out of 10, 10 out of, 1,000 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It's just the highest as I can go, but this is so good. So you guys could feel. And I forgot what this is called. I'm just gonna call it, but pretty hard to snap. So I give it a 4 out of 10. Sorry to do this. I just can't stop squeezing. But I guess I have to. Okay, first I have to, so I'm gonna rate the quiet side. Pretty loud for quiet. I've always wanted to pop it. And I got one. So you got 2. Okay, time for the loud side. That was so good. 10 out of 10. Last side. This one's harder to push.
Well, Addie, we got Lunchables for you, honey, for school, and you ain't even gonna go next week.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Why not?
Because next week is when you and your mom and them go away.
Wait, next week?
Yes.
What's today?
28th, ain't it?
I think today's the 29th. Yeah, today's the 28th. Time for the loud side of this teal. This teal Among Us Pop-It. Perfect. 10 out of 10. Red, black and white, soft tangle. Okay, 10 out of 10. I love it. I just bring it to school or just play with it when I'm stressed and just go. And time to rate my last fidget. Simple Dimple. Perfect. Love it, 10 out of 10. Okay, bye. Eat.